Good morning from the forge again. It's hot. Humidity's through the roof. I've probably already been out here longer than I should have, but here I am anyway. We're going to try to get a video done before I melt down into a 200-pound pile of grease. Just going to do a quick one this morning. I'm still working on that Damascus build that I've done multi-part video on. When I get around to doing the etching, I'll do another short vid on that. But for right now, we're nearly sold out of our smaller knives at the recent show. So we're going to see if we can't make a mini knife this morning, if we can't forge out a mini knife. And going to try to do it all on the anvil. Hope you watch. Hope you enjoy. Oh, and by the way, if you do, be sure and like and subscribe. Be sure and hit that like button, please. I do believe, if I've heard correctly, that helps drive the algorithm up. And we very much appreciate that. We very much appreciate our subscribers. We very much appreciate our comments. If you've got a question, if you've got a comment, if you've got a suggestion for future content, be sure and leave us a message, and we'll get back to you. Anyway, hang around. Let's see what we can do. All right, well, we finished up our forging, and I took it inside, cleaned it up on the grinder, did 3 normalization cycles like always, very important, and we've got it done. So let's see what we ended up with. And here we go. There it is. It's been cleaned up on the grinder. I cleaned up my profile a little bit. It's been through the ever important 3 normalization cycles. I've already hardened it. You can see the finger well, very important for a good positive grip. I went ahead and put a little thumb rest on the back. Now the blade is short. Personally, I like a short blade on a Skinner if it's something I'm going to be using in the field. If it's something I'm going to be using for game processing. May not look that cool, but it makes a more useful knife, makes a more utilitarian knife for the job. And usefulness is more important than looks sometimes. So anyway, there we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like I said before, be sure and like and subscribe. Be sure and hit that like button. Leave us a comment in the comment section. And thank you all for watching, and God bless.